view from work. I've never hunted here before. It's pretty nice. A lot of fields around it. We're basically on the back end of a ravine that steeps all the way down to my left. And we're on top of it. The wind's blowing this way, so we're hoping it goes down the ravine. It's definitely nice. I would love to scout this place. Hopefully we get something on camera.
So we didn't see anything, but we're gonna scout our way out. But I do got one thing I want to say. I came across this. Rule of thumb, leave people's stuff alone. Don't steal it. We all work to buy things. I hope this guy kills a deer here. Hope he finds something big. But yeah, we're gonna scout our way out, see what kind of stuff we can find. So it's the next day. It's Saturday. I'm headed to a spot I used to hunt when I was a kid. We're hoping for a doe today. It's not far off the road. It's only about 150 yards. So I'm going to try to be real quiet to get in here and get set up. Because it's a little late. It's about 3:30, 4 o'clock for the night hunt. I like to be in the woods by like 2. So I got high hopes. But the good news is, I just got a call and I get to pick up my deer and my meat today. So if we don't get nothing, or if we get something, we're still heading to the butcher to get our deer. I'm excited. Get to get my hands back on them again. I'll see you when I get to the tree. Took a while to get set up. I couldn't pick what tree I wanted to be in, so I chose this one where I got tons of cover, but any shot's gonna be really close.
Sneak out of here. We seen that nice little 6-pointer. He came the same trail I walked down. But I got a feeling there's still more deer to my left. I can hear them. But I gotta get to the butcher. I gotta be there by 8. Time to go get my deer, baby. I'm pumped.
We're finally back home. It's Sunday. We got a lot of meat off of this deer. Easily 160 to 170 pounds of meat. I took it to a place called Grizzlies and Hunt. I don't know if anybody's familiar with that, but I'm curious to see how good it came out. I got Cajun sausage, Italian sausage, breakfast sausage, kept the loins whole, and then we got a bunch of burger. So it should be good. But look at all this meat. Now my problem is if I could fit it all in my freezer. But we'll see you guys on the next episode.